Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you where to put referral code on Shein. So firstly, open Shein on your device, and then let's pretend that I make an order. I go to my cart and click the checkout button, but before that I need to select the items I want to purchase and click checkout button. During the payment process, you will find a field labeled Apply Coupon or Referral Code. Click on it, and here you need to enter the code, your referral code, into this field and click Apply button to ensure the discount is applied to your order. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.